Hey Trophies, and welcome back to my channel. It is Sophie, your favorite trophy.
And I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this cute sunset full glam look. Enjoy! Hey you guys, so what I'm doing right now is just moisturizing my face and preparing my skin for all the makeup that I'm going to put on. You're going to see some of the skincare products that I use just so I am taking care of my skin right before putting on all the glam materials. I am putting some translucent powder on my brows because, as you just saw, I put on a lot of moisturizer and a lot of stuff on my face, so I just want to make sure I have a smooth base so that I can draw my eyebrows on. Okay, please excuse the lighting difference. I was using natural light, and of course, it goes back and forth sometimes. But I am just priming my face, putting on some primer, and putting on layers so that my skin can be protected from this makeup.
Please subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Wednesdays and Sundays, and I'm here every Wednesday and every Sunday. So subscribe because I want to make sure you guys are entertained.
Okay, so what you guys are seeing right now is me showing you what kind of eyeshadow brush that I'm using to put that first shade down. If you're someone like me who has small eyes, it's really important that you keep that shade controlled to into the crease. So just be careful with that, and I would definitely recommend this method. Okay, so now I'm going in with a transition color and I'm using orange from that Juvia Place palette. And I'm going right above that red shade. So like right above that shade. Just put that in and make sure you're blending, blending, blending because we don't want any harsh lines while we are doing our eye look. So I put a yellow right above that orange because it goes really well together, and I really like a sunset look if you guys can't tell. But yeah, so basically put that right above that orange and once again blend, blend, blend. So what I did here is I took some makeup remover and I put it on my brush and just basically cleaned up my lid space that I'm cutting out or carving out. So that it's clean and that there's not a lot of product on my eye so that it changes the color that I'm putting down and you can actually see the shade that I'm going to put on that part of the lid space. So that's just a neat trick that I learned recently, and I think you guys should too if you really want those shadow colors to pop that's on that part of your lid.